Hey guys, so here is the hallway. Decided to add this part into the video here because why not? I like these lights that they got going right here. Anyway, very modern. We'll get to the bougie elevator in a second. Got some corner rooms like that. Anyway, here's this little cool thing we got here. Treat yourself to our refreshing filtered versed osmosis Asheville water. That's what I'm about to do right now. Yes, from 100. That works. Filtered water there, nice touch. And we got some silver ice machine. As we got little bags of ice. This is different, but I dig it. It's pretty nice. Nice touch, for sure. Let me show you the elevator situation. Notice there's no buttons here. Motion censored. You can pick what floor you want for the elevator. And downstairs you can really do your room key. Let's then we'll go to lobby, right? So we want elevator C. Here's elevator C. And see, there's no buttons in the elevator. Just open the door, close, you know, your phone, alarm, and stuff like that. And here's a cabin view. No buttons, very different. We'll give you a view of the lobby, why not? So I got some more water here. As you see it come up here, you have to scan your key to access your floor for the number for the floor to come up. There's your indicator there, and button list. So yeah, very well preview the lobby and the restaurant. Like I said, not knocking on this place, very nice. Very nice hotel. And yeah, if you're in Asheville, North Carolina, downtown, Kimpton arras Hotel could be your place. And like I said, KW out, like, share, and subscribe.